Yeah, I think you know Shutana. Because I never got to take it out with Zimana. No better.
What did you? What did you? And this will go to next team selector. No time to waste it. Under Tessa. Who says on drop? So, the Kakapunza Zita, she can't